Shakshuka. It's an amazing Middle Eastern egg dish. Tomatoes and cumin and coriander, some garlic, some onions, feta, parsley, and a yellow pepper.
Hello, hello.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm gonna make shakshuka.
Yes.
You always have to use a pan that you can also put into the oven because we're gonna put it all together, put the eggs in, and then it bakes for a little while.
Nice.
Okay, so we need sliced onion.
Sliced onion.
And we need 1 garlic clove, minced up.
Okay.
And then I'm going to cut up this yellow pepper. Girl can slice.
Woo!
Woo!
Okay, so just 1 clove of garlic?
Just 1 clove. I'm gonna get a little olive oil in here. And
Okay.
I'm putting my own spin on this today. It's a pretty much classic shakshuka, but I'm gonna add a little fresh pesto. I think you can mix cultures that way.
Absolutely. Do you want me to cut parsley?
Why don't you?
Yeah, I'm here.
I'll use you. You know what? If you want to dice up some feta too,
Yeah,
go
okay.
for it. I'm adding the cumin and the coriander now. And then I'm gonna add some red pepper flakes. Let's get the pepper in there. You like spicy, so
love
I've made it
spicy,
a little
yeah.
bit extra spicy for us. Sauce.
Okay, the garlic's here for you when you need it.
Oh yeah, I better get that garlic in. I'll grab it from you. I want to get the garlic softened up a little bit, and then I'll throw in some of the marinara. This is looking really pretty.
Really good.
We want to crack some eggs. I'll do the first one. The oven is preheating at 375 already. Now I'm just gonna make a little place for this egg and put it right in.
It's like going home.
Go home. Look at you with the one hand crack.
Oh, well, just because my hand's wet.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to put it straight in?
No.
What?
That's dangerous. I was
Yeah.
gonna say, like, as I put it in there, the yolk breaks.
Not gonna break. No.
Okay. How many eggs are we doing?
I think we fit 2 more. How about 5? Now, let's lay some feta on there.
I like that it has like this like melty thing that happens, but then it still stays together.
Mm-hmm. I like to get it a little bit in the egg, but I want to make sure that the yolk doesn't break. You want to open the oven for me?
Yeah.
It's only going to take about 10 to 13 minutes. It's at 375 until those eggs cook all the way through, but nice and runny, but not too
Yes.
runny. I thought it'd be fun to have a little pesto to drizzle over it. So
Yes.
you're toasting the pine nuts
I'm
right now.
toasting the nuts.
So you have to be really careful because it can burn really quickly. Can you grate up a half a cup of Parmesan for me?
Yes.
I'm gonna add all this basil. Add in 1 clove of garlic, half a cup of grated Parmesan. And we get the pine nuts that you
Yes.
toasted.
Toasted, done.
For some flavor, for some fat, for some crunch, and a little bit of olive oil to blend it all down. And then I'm gonna add some more olive oil later. Just a little bit of pepper, more salt. You wanna put the salt in there? I trust you. I think you've made 1 or 2 pestos in your life.
A football player's pinch of salt, I always like.
Yes, and then my little touch, I like to add a little lemon. Let's start to get this pulsed down. And then it's gonna definitely need more oil.
Yeah.
Let's put this in a bowl. And if you wanna just lay a little bit of oil over that, feel
Yes.
free. So we got a couple bowls. I like to eat my shakshuka with a little bit of arugula on the bottom
Yes.
and have it wilt from
Yes,
the
yes,
heat.
yes.
Go for it.
Do you know, I eat my pasta the same exact way.
Let's get a little bit of the parsley on top. Get a garlic sauce
So
in there.
beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous.
We want to get a little bit of that pesto that we just
Yes.
made on top of it. Look at that pesto. Ooh, beautiful.
Cheers to you.
Yes, cheers to you. Hey, cheers.
Thanks for having me.
I'm so glad you came over. That's so comforting.
The bell peppers with the pesto, delicious.